Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook page for personal use, for celebrity, for brand or business. So I'm gonna show you how to do it in two methods. First method, we're gonna do it via mobile phone, and the second method, we're going to do it with PC. Let's start with mobile phone. So how to create a Facebook page using an Android phone. Click Facebook app. Make sure you are signed in on your Facebook account, a personal account. Before you create a Facebook page, you need to have a personal account. Okay? From here, you click where is your profile picture is on your mobile phone. It will be on the right corner here. From here, you scroll down, you find page. Okay, from here you click, as you can see here, those are my pages. You click create. Okay, from here they say create your page. You click get started, and then from here you enter your page name, and then you go next. They're gonna ask you to enter your username. They're gonna ask you to put a profile picture for your Facebook page. Okay, so this is how you do it on mobile. Now let's go to the computer. I'm gonna show you how to do it there. Now from PC, you must go to facebook.com. You log in. As you can see, when you go to facebook.com, they're gonna tell you here, create a page for celebrity, brand or business. If I click here, they're gonna ask you to sign in. They're gonna ask me to sign in because, as I said, you need a Facebook account. Okay, so I'm gonna log in. I'm gonna enter my password. I'm gonna click login. So when you log in on Facebook, okay, as you can see right now, I'm on Facebook. Okay, so this is the home page. Okay, so from here on the left corner here, as you can see here, they say friend, most recent, group, market, watch. You click see more. Okay, from here you click page. Okay, so those are my pages. Okay, and from here you click create new page, and then you enter the name of your Facebook page. This is mandatory, as you can see here. This is something that are required. So I'm going to do that. My page name will be category. It's also required. You have to put that. I'm gonna say news, a media website. Okay, you can also add more if you want. Newspaper, news, I can say magazine, journalist. This is enough. And from here you enter your bio. Okay, this one is not mandatory. You can do it later. Okay, I got already category. It's too much. I'm gonna have to remove one. And then I click create page. But I need to finish everything. Okay, you have to go next. You're gonna ask you to add a profile picture. I'm gonna do it later. They're gonna also ask you to add a cover photo. I'm gonna do it also later. Also, they're going to ask you to add a button here. Okay, I'm gonna say I prefer to say learn more because I want to add a website. I can just wanna go learn more for a website and then click next. They're gonna ask you to enter the website. I'm gonna add my website. This is my website. Click save, and then our Facebook page is almost ready because we still need to do some configuration. As you can see here, they want you to compare for similar pages, so this is very important. If you want a successfully Facebook page, you must do the full configuration. You need to have a cover here, and then you need to get a profile picture. Okay, so I can go next. They want me to add a phone number. I'm not going to do it. I'm gonna say escape. They want me to invite a friend to like this page. I'm gonna go next for now, and then click done. And my Facebook page have been created, as you can see here. So from here, you're gonna have to add, not now, you're gonna have to add a profile picture. Also, you're gonna have to add a cover. Okay, I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.